Hello there, I hope you are doing good. It's Ashe Songa again, and this is Ashe Songa Lab. In this channel, we learn Kinyarwanda, especially for people who are not Rwandans who want to learn how to speak Kinyarwanda. This channel will help you get from zero to where you can speak with Rwandan confidently, which means you'll be fluent in Kinyarwanda if you keep following my videos and watching the past videos that I have posted on this channel. I'm planning even to create more videos and more. I'm working on a course and then I'll share it when it's done. But for now, we have been learning using songs. They are songs from Rwanda, songs with Kinyarwanda, and through these songs we get to learn things, new words that are in Kinyarwanda, and how they are used in sentences in normal conversation. So if you have been following, you have seen I've worked on many songs, and today I'm going to be working on another song. And today's song is called Bakundukize, which means they love a rich person. Uchize is a rich person, and they love comes from Gukunda. So we're going to listen to the song for a little bit, and then after that, I will come back explaining to you what they are saying in the song and how it is used in other conversations. So enjoy the song. I love it, and I hope you love it too. And then I will come back after the song.
Naason, Ludovico, naje kugutereta nambaye ibirenge kugera ivumbire nyuzuye kubire umena amazi saruka n'imodoka uyogesha amazi urukundo rudasanzwe utiduka ndamazi sinzibagirwa umunsi wa mbere nyamagana
hano utanyanduriza injiji
sinzibagirwa umunsi wa mbere nje nkugana
urabona ukuntu ibyo bikandagizo byawe bisa
umunsi nazanaga imodoka
shushu irasa nabi reka nikogereze
umunsi naparikaga imodoka
imwe agasembe sibyo
That is the song, and it's very nice, isn't it? Tell me in the comment if you loved it, and then tell me if there is a song you want me to work on next time. Let's start. It was hard to catch up with the lyrics because it is the first song, but I tried, and we're going to go through it again. So let's start. When we are starting, they say naje kugutereta nambaye ibirenge, and what they mean here, before I talk about these words and sentences, let me tell you the general explanation of what they are saying in the song. This song is about a guy who was poor, and when he went to visit a girl, the girl used to look down on him. The girl used to chase him away, used to pour water on him, and after some times the guy came back with a car, came back rich, and then he was treated as a king. So that's basically what he's saying. I came to see you while I was poor, and you treated me like this, and when I came back as rich, you treated me like this. You think I don't know you? That's basically the meaning of this song. So let's start word by word. The first sentence, they say naje kugutereta nambaye ibirenge unshamazi. What they're saying is, when they say naje, it means naje, it means I came. When you say naje, it means I came. It's in the past, comes from the verb kuza, which means to come. And when they say naje, it means I came. Kugutereta is a word in Kinyarwanda which means to woo or to court. You know, when you are trying to persuade a woman or a guy to be in a relationship with you, that's what we call gutereta. It's called gutereta, and when we say kugutereta, it means to woo you. So when you say gutereta, it means to woo or to court. And when you say when you add ku, it means you. It's like you're adding you to court you, as you can see here. And nambaye, it means wearing. It comes from the verb kwamba, which means to wear. So when you say nambaye, it means wearing. Ibirenge, feet. Ibirenge is feet. So when you say nambaye ibirenge, kwambara ibirenge, we say kwambara ibirenge when someone is not putting on any shoes. When you are not wearing shoes, we say wambaye ibirenge. But it's not possible to wear foot because you cannot wear foot because you already have it, but that's how we express it. When we express someone with no shoes, we say someone yambaye ibirenge. Unca amazi. Kuguca amazi, it's looking down on someone. Unca amazi means you looked down on me, or you ignored me, or you didn't respect me. Guca amazi umuntu. Guca amazi, when you say guca amazi, it means you are not respecting someone, you're looking down on someone, or you don't think highly of someone. Maybe yes, it's in that context, looking down on someone. That's what we call guca amazi. It's a slang. Is it a slang? Yeah, it's a slang in Kinyarwanda, which means to ignore or look down on someone when you say guca amazi. So in this first sentence, naje kugutabita nambaye ibirenge unca amazi. I came to woo you wearing no shoes and you ignored me, or you looked down on me. Nkugeraho ivumbi rinyuzuye ku birenge umenaho amazi. Nkugeraho means I reach to you. Nkugeraho means I reach to you. This nkugeraho comes from the verb kugera, which means to reach. Nkugeraho ivumbi. Ivumbi is a dust or dirty when you are walking in the summer, when there is no rain and there is too much dust. That's what we call ivumbi. And when he reached to her, dust rinyuzuye was full on ku birenge, on his feet. So when you say nkugeraho ivumbi rinyuzuye ibirenge, it means I reached to you, dust was full on my feet. When I reached to you, I was full of dirt or dust. So that's basically what he meant here, because rinyuzuye comes from the verb kuzura, which means to be complete or to be full on someone, but we use it when something is too much, like when the dust is too much on someone, we say ivumbi rimwuzuyeho, or rinyuzuye means the dust is full on me. That's how I can say it. If I want to say, but in the context means I was very dirty because of the dust. And then umenaho. Umenaho comes from the verb kumena, which means to pour water. When you want to put water in something, uyamenamo. Or kumena might also mean to break, but in this context, because he said umenaho amazi, it means to pour water. You poured on me water, or you poured water on me. I just want to explain this differently, because this is a verb which means to pour and this is water, amazi. So I want to say nkugeraho ivumbi rinyuzuye ku birenge umena amazi. When I reached to you, the dust was full on my feet and then you poured water on me. That's what he means on the second sentence. And ngarukanye imodoka uyogesha amazi. Ngarukanye means when I came back. It comes from the verb kugaruka, which means to come back. Kugaruka. Ngarukanye, when I came back with imodoka. A car is imodoka in Kinyarwanda. Ngarukanye imodoka, when I come back with a car, uyogesha. You washed it with. This comes from the verb kogesha, which means to wash something with, using something to wash another thing. So kogesha, uyogesha, you washed it with water, because he said ngarukanye imodoka uyogesha amazi, and then he repeats water. Amazi is water, and when say ngarukanye imodoka uyogesha amazi, when I came back with the car, you washed it with water, and then he repeats water. Unyereka urukundo rudasanzwe tidukanda amazi. Okay, here when he says unyereka, you showed me, comes from the verb kwereka, which means to show. So when he say unyereka, you showed me, or you show me urukundo, which means love. You showed me love rudasanzwe. Kidasanzwe, something which is not normal. When you say rudasanzwe, it means extraordinary love. Urukundo rudasanzwe, it's extraordinary love, or not normal. Love which is not normal. That's when you say rudasanzwe, something which is not normal, something extraordinary. That's what is called kidasanzwe. So unyereka urukundo rudasanzwe. You showed me extraordinary love. When I came back with the car after washing it, uti dukanda mazi. Uti means and you say. It's like how we say in passive and active voices in English. So in Kinyarwanda, when you want to say something that someone said and you're talking to that person, you say uti, which means and you say. When it's someone you are not together at that time, you say ati, and he or she says or said, and me, which means something that you said. You are trying to quote what you said, so you use me. So when you are quoting someone you are together, you say and you say, which means you say uti. When someone is not with you, you say ati, and then when it's something you said, you say me. You can add at the context in plural, like bati, muti. Bati is for them, what they said. Muti is what you said, but in a plural. So dukande amazi. Uti dukande amazi. Gukanda amazi is a slang in Kinyarwanda which means to drink alcohol. So when you say unyereka urukundo rudasanzwe tudukanda amazi, it's like you showed me extraordinary love and you said let's drink for it, or let's drink for this. So this is what he means in this first verse. And let's go to the chorus. This chorus is has two people. You heard the girl, she was singing and Naason was also singing. So we're going to see what Naason said and what the girl said. So Naason started with sinzibagirwa umunsi wa mbere unyamagana. I will never forget the day you. It's like kwamagana is chasing someone away or fighting against someone, because we sometimes use this kwamagana when we are fighting against gender-based violence. When we are fighting against it, we turayamagana. So it means fighting against something. So when I came for the first time, sinzibagirwa means I will never forget. Umunsi is a day wa mbere. The first day. Wa mbere is the first. Umunsi is a day. Unyamagana, the day you fought against me or the day you were against me. That's what we can say here. Or the day you chased me away. And you said, and the girl said in the song, Vahano utanyanduriza inzo. I think I can remind you this part of the song if you have forgotten. Let me go to this part and then we listen to it for a little bit.
Hano utanyanduriza inzu. Urabona ukuntu ibyo bikandagizo byawe bisa? Shushu irasa nabi, reka nikogereze. Inywera agasembe, sibyo?
Yes, that's it. That's the part that we are here. He said sinzibagirwa umunsi wa mbere unyamagana, and the girl replies. So the girl said Vahano utanyanduriza inzu, which means Vahano means get out of here. Utanyanduriza inzu. Inzu is a house, and utanyanduriza means don't make something dirty. And by this sentence he say inzu, don't make my house dirty. So he said sinzibagirwa umunsi wa mbere unyamagana. I will never forget the first day you were against me, or when you chased me away. And the guy said Vahano utanyanduriza inzu. That's what the guy said, which means get out of here, don't make my house dirty. And then Naason again says sinzibagirwa umunsi wa mbere nje nkugana. Sinzibagirwa again is the same thing. I will never forget. Umunsi wa mbere means the first day. Nje, when I came. Nje means when I came. Nkugana means approach. Nkugana, it's this verb which means approaching or to approach someone or something. So when you say nje nkugana, when I came approaching you, you said Vahano utanyanduriza inzu, which means get out of here, don't make my house dirty. And sinzibagirwa umunsi wa mbere nje nkugana, say, I will never forget the first day I came approaching you, and the guy said, urabona ukuntu ibyo bikandagizo byawe bisa, you see, urabona, which it means you see, ukuntu is how, ibyo that ibikandagizo is something we are using to stand on the ground, so it can be shoes, it can be foot, whatever it is, ibikandagizo. And then the guy, you see how that thing you are using to stand, maybe he didn't have shoes on, or he had dirty shoes because of the dust, as he said. Urabona ukuntu ibyo bikandagizo byawe bisa, you see how that shoes of yours, byawe means something of yours, bisa, how it look like. So you see how your shoes looks like. That's what she says in this sentence. And then the Naason again said, sinzibagirwa umunsi nazanaga imodoka, I will never forget the day. Nazanaga means the day I brought. Nazanaga comes from the verb kuzana, which means to bring or to come with something. So I will never forget the day I brought a car. Nazanaga imodoka. And then the girl, when he brought a car, the girl said, Shushu irasa nabirekanye ko igejeje. Shushu is a French word. I'm not sure what it means, but it's a romantic word to mean people who love each other, like sweetheart, like babe. Those are the words that I can relate to this shushu. I'm not going to talk much about it. It has some words in Kinyarwanda. If you want to talk about someone you're in love with, like sweetheart, you can say mukunzi wanje, you can say rukundo rwanje, you can say so many things. We take a video to talk about it, but today I just wanted to explain this word. Shushu irasa, it looks, nabi is bad, reka, let me wash it for you. When the boy brought a car, the girl said, Shushu, sweetheart, irasa, it looks nabi. When we say irasa nabi, nabi is bad by the meaning. Nabi is bad, but when we say something kirasa nabi or irasa nabi, it means it looks not clean. It is not clean. Leka, let me, or late, leka is late. Nikogereza comes from kogereza, which means to wash for. Kogereza means washing for someone. Kogereza means washing for someone. So leka nikogereza means let me wash it for you. When she says leka nikogereza, it means let me wash it for you. And then Naason again says, sinzibagirwa umunsi naparikaga imodoka, he will never forget the day this is again once a day, imodoka is a car. Sinzibagirwa, I never forget umunsi naparikaga, the day I parked. The naparikaga comes from the verb guparika, which is not too much different from Kinyarwanda English word of parking, but in Kinyarwanda it's guparika. It's a borrowed word from foreign languages, so we say guparika when we want to say park. It's the same. Naparikaga imodoka, the day I parked my car, I will never forget the day I parked my car. The day said, twinywera agasembuye, sibyo? Twinywere means let's drink, that's what we say. Twinywere, it means let's drink. Agasembuye is alcoholic drink. When something is alcoholic, people used to say it's agasembuye because there is umusemburo. It's something they add in these drinks that we call umusemburo, which makes it agasembuye. And when she says sibyo means isn't it? There is another song by Kitoko and Medi which is called Sibyo. Maybe we'll come to it later, but here she says twinywera agasembuye, sibyo, let's drink alcoholic drinks, isn't it? And that's the end of the chorus and the first verse. And this is a nice song, you can listen to it. you can listen to other parts and try to see if you can catch some words from it. It's so fast. If you want to catch the words, you can take it slowly, but if you are able to get some words from it after this, I'm sure that you are on a good level. But if you don't, it's okay. Just listen to what we have just said, write these words somewhere, try to use them if you talk to a Rwandan, and if you don't have someone to talk to, you can reach out to me I have my social media accounts in the description of this video, and you can reach out to me and maybe you can talk and see the level you have, and maybe I can help you if you want to learn more. So that is it. I thank you for watching this video, and watch other videos on my channel, and please give me feedback on what you think about this content. Is it good? Is it helping you? Is it helping anyone? So give me feedbacks in comments, or reach out to me on social media, on WhatsApp or Instagram, Twitter. I'm using all of that, even LinkedIn, so that we can talk and see if I can help you more, or if I can, maybe there's something I can help. So that is it. I'm going to leave you the song, listen to it again, and then we will meet again in the next video, in the next course, as we will be learning more about Kinyarwanda as my native language. So have a good time.
Naason, Ludovico, naje kugutereta nambaye ibirenge kugera ivumbire nyuzuye kubi imodoka uyogesha amazi urukundo rudasanzwe dukanda amazi nzibagirwa umunsi wa mbere Nyamagana,
hano utanyanduriza injiji,
nzibagirwa umunsi wa mbere nje nkugana,
urabona ukuntu ibyo bikandagizo byawe bisa,
nzibagirwa umunsi nazanaga imodoka,
shushu irasa nabi, reka nikogereze,
umunsi naparikaga imodoka,
inywera agasembe, sibyo?
burya koko umugabo ni mu mufuka babivuze ukuri, warungurutsemo unyereka impuhwe zawe uko zisa, ndibuka igihe nazaga ndi umushomeri, naza gukanyuza mu gikari, ndibuka igihe nazanaga imodokari, n'abaryamye warababyusaga, uti muze murebe umugabo nitomboreye, uti muze murebe umugabo nitomboreye, uti muze murebe umugabo nitomboreye, uti muze murebe umugabo nitomboreye. Uziko nakuzisha naje kugutereta